Today's video is a get ready with me for work. I'm going to show you guys in real time how I get ready for work. That's hair, makeup, outfit, everything. I know for me, sometimes getting ready for work can be a chore, but I want to show you guys just what it can mean to put a little bit of extra effort into it, because when you look good, you feel good, and that spills over into your productivity, your work, your ability to be a girl boss, and ultimately your success. So stay tuned. Okay, so to make things easier for me lately, I've been wearing U-part wigs that my stylist has made me. This one is from her hair company. Well, the bundles are from her hair company. It's the Brazilian body wave, and it's 16, 18, and 20 inch. And while my heat tools heat up, I am going to go ahead and start on my face. But so far, I am really loving this hair. It actually matches pretty closely with my hair texture, and that's why I think this is my favorite hair and my favorite U-part yet, because it just lays so flat and so natural, and the hair just moves with my hair. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to start off by putting on some foundation. This is my Rihanna Fenty Beauty foundation, and I really love it. It's pretty full coverage. The only thing is you just have to work with it quickly, which is fine because in the morning when I'm getting ready for work, I don't have time to play around with foundation. And just to follow up from my last getting ready with me video, I had asked you guys if you wanted me to show you my apartment tour halfway done or wait till it's all the way done. And some of you said that it's fine, I can wait. Some of you said to go ahead and show you what I have done so far, and I've actually decided that that's a good idea because the Lord knows when I'll be done decorating my place. So I'm actually filming today a vlog style video to show you guys an update on what my apartment looks like now that I am about halfway done with it, and hopefully it can give you guys some ideas and you guys can give me some ideas and I can get this place together. So as you can see, I'm just finishing my foundation, putting on concealer. I don't go too hard with my foundation and concealer when I'm going to work. I just want enough to still look kind of natural, but to give me like a flawless, more airbrushed look, if that makes sense. So I'm going to start in on my eyebrows, and this takes forever because I literally have to, it feels like draw on my eyebrows. You guys, I don't have any eyebrows at all. Like, I'm eyebrow bald and I don't know what it is. That's just my eyebrows. So I end up having to fill them in a lot. I am using Spiked by MAC. It's an eyebrow pencil, if you guys are interested. But I am scheduled to get my eyebrows microbladed at the end of this month, which I seriously cannot wait for. I did get them microbladed before a couple years ago, and it was just beautiful because I didn't have to do anything to my eyebrows. This takes me at least 5 to 10 minutes to get my eyebrows perfect. So getting them microbladed is just like a godsend for me because I don't have to worry about them. They do take like 6 weeks to heal, which sucks, but I am excited to be getting my eyebrows re-microbladed again. If you guys want to see more about that experience, I'm happy to show you this time around. The first time I wasn't sure what to expect, and so I didn't really like vlog it or anything, but I'm happy to this time around if you guys want me to. And just so you guys know, this isn't necessarily like an everyday thing for me getting ready for work. There are some days when I have a presentation or a meeting, or I just want to feel a little more glam, and this would be one of those days. I don't normally, put on a wig or do a ton of makeup, but there are certain days I just want to feel a little more done up, and today was one of those days. So I'm about to start in on my hair. Like I said, this is from her hair company. It's the Brazilian body wave in 16, 18, and 20 inches. And I just had my stylist to make me a U-part wig that clips in a lot like clip-ins. I showed in my last getting ready with me video how I do that. So if you're curious about that, then I will link that above and below. But I just clip it into my hair, and I leave a little bit of leave out on the top in the shape of a U. That's why it's called a U-part wig. So instead of having a sew-in where the wefts are sewn into my hair that's braided underneath, I literally just pull my hair into a bun. I make sure my leave out is done, and I clip this into my hair. I can take it off again when I get home from work. I can sleep in it. I can take care of my hair underneath, and that's what I really love about U-part wigs. I also just really am loving this hair. You guys, this is my favorite wig I've had thus far, and it's because this hair is so just realistic and natural, and this hair matches most closely with my natural hair, and I think that's because the texture is more of a body wave, and so it more so mimics the texture of my hair. So I actually bought this Revlon curling iron from Ulta for like $15. I was getting tired of using the clipless curling wand because I kept burning myself and it was hurting my arms to have to hold my hair up that long. So I just got a cheapo curling iron, just one, to see how this hair curls, and two, just so that I don't have to worry about getting burnt or holding my hair up on the curling wand, or just really the hassle of that. And I must say I actually like it. I love that I can just curl my hair, it stays clipped onto the curling iron, and I can check my emails or chill or drink my Red Bull or do whatever it is I need to do while I curl my hair. So when I get to the top, which is mostly my hair, I bust out my flat iron just because it gives me a little bit more control over that hair at the top, and I can curl it a little tighter. And so that's what I do when I get to the top. I just put some loose curls in the top, and so I blend it together so that it doesn't necessarily look like I have on a wig. So you can see I have the first half of my hair done. I just have loose body curls, and that's pretty much how I like it. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And if you can see this hair, it literally just, it's so soft and it moves and it feels like butter and it just glides on the curling iron, which I absolutely love. So it didn't take me long at all to curl my hair. It took me maybe total 10 minutes, which is really important in the morning when I'm getting ready for work, because I do like to wake up early, but this particular morning I overslept and I didn't have much time. So I wanted to show you guys a really realistic get ready with me for work. So if you don't have much time, maybe this is something that can be done. No, I didn't put on tons of contour or just put tons of curls in my hair, but it looks nice and presentable, and it still looks a little bit glam for work. Thank you guys so much for the love and support in my last getting ready with me video. I have not done one of these in so long, and so it really felt good to have you guys like and support that video. So I thought I would go ahead and do another one for you. This is random, but somebody in my last video asked me if I was Asian, and the answer to that is no, I'm not Asian. I mean, I assume they were asking, am I mixed with Asian, but I'm not, especially not according to Ancestry DNA. I can do one of those videos if you guys want to see what my DNA ancestry results are, but they were rather surprising because I get that question all the time if I'm Asian or mixed with Asian or have it somewhere in my ancestry. And so I was expecting it to maybe come out on there at least like maybe 2% or something, but I am like not Asian at all according to Ancestry DNA. So I don't know, that may be fun for me to do one of those videos. You guys thumbs this video up and let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do one. Also, someone asked me could I do more money and finance related videos, and I have just uploaded another finance related video last week. It's about building your credit and building to perfect credit. I'll link it below and above, but I love doing those videos and I'm definitely going to try to do more of them for sure. So as you can see, I'm pretty much done with my hair now. I love how these curls came out, just very loose, no rhyme or reason, but they're soft and shiny, and my hair just really flows and has body, and I absolutely love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get changed and put on an outfit for work so that I can get on out this door. Thumbs up if you're like me and it takes you forever to get ready for work in the morning because you never know what you're gonna wear. Yeah, that's me. So after figuring out what I'm gonna wear, I went ahead and put it on and put on a little bit of lip gloss just so I have a little bit of color on and to finish off my look. And that is it. I am ready for work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got a chance to see a realistic perspective of how I get ready for work, and hopefully it gave you guys some ideas. Check out her hair company below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.